then right after that, I'm letting you know like all that.
How long it takes to get to the top. Like if you touch the bottom,
I heard a pop. Woo!
I couldn't think of anything else to say.
All right.
Alright, they'll go
I got
first.
Eric.
It's a little higher than you think.
Jump, boy, jump.
This will be on YouTube, Eric.
I don't put it on YouTube.
Uh, yeah, I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Especially if you hurt yourself.
Let's go!
You got this.
There you go.
Cannonball!
That made it hard.
He came up. Don't do that when I got the camera, son.
I couldn't think of anything else to say.
Oh, this one was good.
God, why did it?
Here we go.
Going?
Go.